Oh my gosh.
양쪽이 다
Kediler mi eskisi var? Pörükörten mi eskisi acaba?
Good morning and welcome aboard.
Good morning. Good, how are you?
Please press borrow Los Angeles. On the safety information card in your seat pocket. If you do not meet these criteria, do not wish to perform these responsibilities, have a hidden condition which prevents you from performing, or you might suffer body.
With service to Los Angeles this morning. My name is Philip. I'm the captain. At 3 to my right is Adrian. He's the first officer. And we've got 4 fantastic Seattle-based flight attendants with us as well. I'd like to welcome you aboard and tell you a little bit of the flight. We'll be pushing back here in just a few minutes, looking for an early departure, trying to get you into LA a little bit early as well. We'll give you an update on that time once we get to the top of the climb. But the flight time right now is 2 hours and 5 minutes. We're expecting to get in about 10 minutes early, barring any other unknown.
And lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product will ensure the back of the plane. Escape straps are located in overhead bins above each window exit, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carrying baggage will slow the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with a green exit symbol. Locate the nearest exits and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing. So don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling.
Apparently, this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seat belt fastened in case we experience unexpected drop air. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have tripped during takeoff, and keep aisles clear of any potential trip hazards like bags or bag straps. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with
Should be touching down about 20 past you, so about 25 minutes. We greatly appreciate you on board this Delta flight and hope to see you on future flights. Seatbelt sign is going back on and will remain on for the duration of your flight. Flight attendants, please prepare to cabin for the arrival.
To prepare for landing, please ensure your seat belt is fastened, your seat back and tray table are their upright and locked position. Please remember that the exit sign on this plane identify each exit with a green symbol and arrow on indicating a direction to the exit. Please ensure larger devices such as laptops are stored at this time in the bag under the seat in front of you. They may not be stored in the seat pockets. You may continue to use your mobile device as long as they are properly secure. to Los Angeles, where the local time is 2:20. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value your feedback and use your responses to improve.
One step at a time, just you and I.